If your iPhone screen isn't responding to touch, here's how to fix it fast, step by step. First of all, force restart your iPhone. This helps clear temporary glitches. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using a thick screen protector or case, try removing it. Sometimes they interfere with touch sensitivity, especially near the edges. Next, free up some storage. And for that, go to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage. If your storage is almost full, your iPhone can lag even the touch screen. Delete unused apps or clear media to free up space. After that, clean the screen and hands. Use a soft cloth to wipe the screen and also make sure your hands are clean and dry. Moisture can block touch input. After that, update your phone. And for that, go back to the General Settings menu and tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, install it. Touch bugs are often fixed in updates. After that, try resetting all settings. If the touch is still laggy or glitchy, go back to the General Settings menu and scroll all the way down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then go into Reset. Choose Reset All Settings from the options. This resets preferences but won't delete anything important. And if the touch still doesn't work, it might be a hardware issue. Contact Apple support or visit a repair center. And that's all. If the video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.